Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Saturday, March 30th, 2013. New subject, squeezes. Squeeze plays require careful counting of distribution and careful preparation prior to execution. In its simple construction, a defender holds a guard in two suits and is forced to discard a guard when you play winners in another suit or suits. The next page is an example of a simple squeeze. West leads the King of Hearts to your 7-spade contract. You win the ace and count your winners. You have 5 spades, 1 heart, 3 diamonds, and 3 clubs. It's 12 tricks. You will have your 13th trick if diamonds split 3-3. You'll have 4 diamond tricks. It's almost a sure thing based on the lead that West holds the Queen of Hearts. If he also holds 4 diamonds, he will be squeezed when you play all your winners out. If it is East that holds the 4 diamonds, you're out of luck. Let's see how this works. You play out all your winners. First 5 spades, pitching a club. And now 2 clubs. On the leads in declares hand, and after 8 tricks, here's the hand. West, who has the Queen of Hearts and 4 diamonds, has to follow suit when you lead Queen of Clubs. When you lead the Queen of Clubs, there's West. He has to discard. He is squeezed. If he discards the Queen of Hearts, you discard a diamond, and you've got 3 diamonds and a Jack of Hearts for a winner. If he discards a diamond, you now discard the Jack of Hearts, and you cash 4 diamond tricks. Either way, you take all the tricks. Let's note some important points on this play of this hand. First, the squeeze in this case would fail if East happened to have the 4 diamonds and the King of Hearts. The reason is that you need to decide what to pitch in the north hand before East. This squeeze is called a positional squeeze. Only one opponent can be squeezed. Notice that the squeeze play only works when you only need 1 extra trick. If you need more than 1 extra trick, you need to rectify the count. We'll cover that tomorrow. And the order in which you play your winners is also important. What are the elements of a squeeze? The threat card or threat cards. The card threatening to become a winner. The Jack of Hearts in the last hand was threatening to be a winner, and the 4th diamond is threatening to be a winner. Guards are what the defenders have. It's the top card of a suit in an opponent's hand that prevents declare from running the suit or making the threat card good. In this case, the Queen of Hearts, 1-card threat, blocks a 1-card threat, and the 4th diamond is 4th card threat, I guess you'd call it. And lastly, the squeeze card. It's the card played in a different suit that requires a defender to discard. In the case in point, it's the Queen of Clubs. An automatic squeeze happens when the 1-card threat is in the same hand as the squeeze card. In the first hand, if we were to swap the Jack of Hearts and the small heart from the north and south hands, then leading the Queen of Clubs and pitching the small heart from dummy would automatically squeeze either opponent, because the 1-card threat is still in your hand and you don't have to worry which to discard from dummy. So either opponent would be squeezed if they hold a Queen of Diamonds, Queen of Hearts, and 4 diamonds. You are in 7 no trump. West leads the Jack of Hearts. Count your tricks: 4 spades, 1 heart, 4 diamonds, and 3 clubs. Almost identical to the last hand, except the difference is, as we said, the Queen of Hearts and the 4th club are threats, but the Queen of Hearts is in the same hand as the squeeze card, which will end up being the diamond suit. This is an automatic squeeze because if either defender holds the King of Hearts and 4 clubs, he will be squeezed. You win the Ace of Hearts, cash 4 spades, pitching the 2 of Hearts, then cash Ace, King, Queen of Diamonds. At trick 9, what you have left is on the left side. The lead is in Declare's hand, and here is East's hand, the King of Hearts and 4 clubs. On the lead of the Jack of Diamonds, the squeeze card, North pitches the 8 of Hearts, and East surrenders. In this case, it wouldn't matter if it were East or West. Whoever held East hand, he is squeezed. If he pitches the King of Hearts, South Queen of Hearts is good. And if he pitches a club, South has 4 club tricks. And as I said, if the East and West hands were reversed, the squeeze would also work. So this is an automatic squeeze. Tomorrow, we're going to cover what's called rectifying the count. You need to be sure you're within 1 trick of your ultimate objective. If you don't rectify the count, you will not squeeze your opponent. We'll see you Sunday.